Hello everyone, in this video we will see how you can create React project. So let's get started. We will go to the documentation section from the official website of React.js. Now after going to the documentation, we will go to create a new React app section. Here you will find how you can create a basic starter React project. So go down and here you will see. So you just need to write this command on your terminal. That's it. It will create a new React app of this name. So before doing this, first you need to make sure that you have Node installed on your PC. To install Node.js, you can go to the official website of Node.js. I will also link its URL in the description. Now from here you can download the setup file for the Node.js and install it on your PC. Okay, so after downloading, you can also make sure to check whether Node is properly installed or not by writing this command. You can check the version of the Node.js. If it's telling you the version, that means Node.js is properly installed. You can also check the version of npm, which comes built in with the Node.js. Okay, so yeah, now you can write this command because we are going to use here npx, which is also similar like npm, which also comes built in with the Node.js. So just write this command and this will create a new React starter project, with this name. You can write any name here. So let's write this command, write npx and create React app, and you can give it any name. Let's give React starter. Okay, so wait for a few minutes and it will start creating the project. So it will take a lot of time. It depends on the internet speed actually, because it will be going to take a code from the npm library and then it will execute it here. So you will have to wait for a while, and after few minutes it will try to create a starter project. Okay, so as you can see, we have got some error. As you can see, it's saying that you can't use capital letters. Okay, as you can see, I have used the capital letter here. So you need to give the project name in small letter. So write npx create React app, and then let's write same name but with a small case. Okay, so now it will start installing all the files necessary for creating a basic starter project. It will take some time depending on your internet connection. Okay, so finally it's about to get complete. It has installed React DOM, React scripts. So it's about to get complete in just a few seconds. Okay, it's getting installed. It usually takes a lot of time because it is a very heavy npm module. So finally, yeah, I think it is going to complete now. Let's wait for some few seconds. Still it's taking a lot of time. Okay, so yeah, finally now it's completed. As you can see, it has given us some commands to start up the development server, to bundle the app into static files for production, to test. So these are some of the commands that you can check it out. Now you can open this create React app, the app which it created. You can open it in any code editor that you want to use. Right now I'm using the Visual Studio Code. You can use any code editor you want to use. So I'm going to open it using the terminal. So first go to the folder location. It's React starter. So inside this location I'm going to write code and then dot. So it is going to open Visual Studio Code with this folder. So wait for some seconds. Okay, so yeah, as you can see, by using create React app, it has provided us some bunch of files to work with. Okay, so in the next video we will be looking at what all these folders have meaning. Okay, so as you can see, in every folder we have got some bunch of files with the configuration built and done out of the box. So we will be looking at all of these files and what each file means. So don't worry about this right now. In the next video we will be looking at each and every file and its code, and then you will get to know each and every code meaning in each and every file. Okay, so stay tuned and see you in the next video.